Mazolo Mlife just reported that it seems like Thabo Cele is not on ama plans available of the new coach of Kaizer Chiefs, the Cruzy. And man, the main reason I'm actually even making this video is because I commented under that post to Guti, like, how are we letting go of the most talented midfielder that you currently have available? Because I always understand and somebody, people are just crashing out under like comment and stuff. Nana, they're asking me what did Thabo Cele do, and it seems like many of you are actually forgetting because the guy didn't actually get the clear chance because of conflict between the two coaches available last season and stuff. So it seems like as if most of your fans are actually forgetting what did the guy actually do. I hope that you remember under Nazareth Nabi, we had Uzwani, we had Umati, and we had Ubaban, the likes of Ubamato, the likes of Uba Ox. We didn't have a player that was comfortable on the ball. We didn't have a player that was able to go and collect the ball. And I hope that you remember that first game. I think we lost it in 90 minutes against when we were playing Derby available. That was when Thabo Cele and Uban were actually introduced. On that game, it was the first time somebody in the midfielder that was able to go and collect the ball and rotate the midfielder. It was hard to lose a very ball and a ball, and it is just shameful to all of you that are criticizing the guy, that are saying to the guy didn't do anything and stuff like that. Basically, I'm comparing with the likes of Obomokwena or anybody for no reason, and I'm just disappointed if like my fans if we play and it stuff, y'all say it doesn't deserve. It is the same treatment right now I'm giving to Castin Serrano. I understand Castin Serrano was okay, he's old or whatsoever available, but with Thabo Cele, and then the crew are saying okay. Let's speak about this. I understand my available. For me, Numabo is not even better than Thabo Cele, even though the guy actually got a man of the match back to back available and he deserved to turn a squad less but he's not better than Thabo Cele with my honest opinion. And then also we have Ukaja available, Ndlovu is comfortable in the ball, but he's not better than Thabo Cele. And they must remove Mabo Ndlovu. Which other midfielder we have? Hey, can you all name any other midfielder in Jobaniti? He didn't do anything else. You need to Tatabo Zwane. Ox, I understand the Ox is good value with like him available winning the ball or whatsoever. But it's not, he was our best midfielder, and it is just shameful for some of you all actually saying that. I just wanted to comment on that sheet and pull out no more readings there, but yeah, thank you.